If you haven't checked out these Viver diesel heaters, you might want to do so. I'll put a link in the description below. Hey guys, this is Ed from Off the Trails Outdoors. Thanks for tuning back in. So today is the day before opening of deer season here in Western Pennsylvania. So I'm going to head down to my property. I've got a 2-man ladder stand down there that I need to adjust. I did remove it from an old tree and I have it just leaning against another tree right now. Tomorrow, my son and I are going to be hunting in that stand. So hopefully we'll see a nice buck. So that's what I'm up to today. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. So stick with me as I head into the woods here. So we did get a few inches of snow last night. So that was kind of cool. Right now, I have to go locate this stand. I know the vicinity it's in, but I'm not sure exactly. So I'm also looking for any fresh tracks. As I walk in, maybe I'll kick up some deer as well. Okay, there's my old stand. You can see it there. Now, where did that other one go? Okay, right now I'm looking at a spot for this stand. I did find it, but I'm looking for something where I can have good shooting lanes. So if we do see a deer, we'll have a good chance. Just had to push that dead one over. So what I'm gonna do first is connect the ladder here to the bottom of this stand. Okay. There we go. Next, I'm adding the stabilizing bar. I want to do that right there. Okay, so that first strap is on, looks good. Now I'm gonna need to go up to the top and add one around the seat. It's always good to add new straps so that when you're coming back, you know exactly if your stand is safe. I don't like that at all. No, I don't like that at all. I'm gonna throw another strap on there just for safety. That's better. All right. This is a Muddy brand stand. So this is what we'll be looking at tomorrow morning. So while I'm up in the stand, I'm making sure I'm checking this out for the strength and there's no broken pieces. I'm checking all the bolts to make sure nothing's rusted off. Again, it's very secure. Got 2 straps on there, and I'm just making sure that everything else looks good before we come up tomorrow. So I am a little late with checking the stand out, but better late than never. So I'm just gonna kind of go down and check every bolt as I come past. Making sure all my pins are in. Okay, so I made sure this strap here is tight. It's brand new. I got a new pin on this. I just attached a rope. That way I'll be able to pull up our gun and or crossbow if we ever go archery hunting in this stand. So at the very top, you'll see I did add 2 different straps just as a safety precaution. So that's not going anywhere. I've got a nice grip on that tree, so it'll be safe for us tomorrow to do a little hunting. Now we'll climb up and show you the view. So tomorrow morning, first thing, before the sun even comes up, my son and I will be out here in the tree stand, spending some great quality time together. This is what hunting is all about. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. It surely does help the channel. Good luck to all my Pennsylvania hunters out there. I'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Thanks for joining me. So I came back and my Viver heater is still heating up my garage. But these things are very efficient. They don't stink. On a full tank of fuel, it'll last you all day on high. If you do put it on low, it'll last a lot longer. But this one comes with a control. You can hook it up to your Bluetooth app, set timers, set temperatures. So this heater takes the chill out of the garage and makes it nice to work out here. So this is a camouflage version, but I highly recommend testing one of these diesel heaters out. For the cost, they do a great job.